In this video, I'm going to show you how to download embedded PDF from a website quickly if it doesn't have a direct download button. Once you find the PDF you want to download, right-click on a blank section and choose Inspect or press F12 key to open the Developer menu. From here, start looking for the Network tab, which you may need to click on this arrow icon to find it. Next, click on Ctrl+R on your keyboard to refresh the page. Then click on the Fetch/XHR tab. Then type PDF under the filter section. This will filter all PDF-related files. From here, find the relevant PDF you are looking for. Then right-click on the PDF and select Open in a new tab. Normally, it would open the PDF directly, and you can click on the download icon on the top right side, but in my case, it directly downloads the PDF onto my downloads folder. Thanks for watching.